Hello everyone and welcome you to Module 8, Facilitating Spoken Production with the New Textbook. We are going to discover some techniques to help pupils develop spoken production. Before we start, let's define spoken production. Spoken production refers to all mono speeches, such as instructions, directions, topic talking, and etc. Now, please look at some of the activities you can use to teach spoken production. Here, I will introduce to you 4 activities that are easy to prepare and conduct and helpful in teaching spoken production. They are Mingle, Monster Information Exchange, Talking about your family, and Describing a picture. First, let's talk about the activity named Mingle. The aim of this activity is to help pupils interact with each other using the target language in real or imaginary situations. Here is the suggested procedure for this activity. First, teachers has to revise the target language the pupils are going to practice in the activity. For example, this activity can be used to help pupils develop fluency using the structure, do you have blah blah blah? How many blah 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 do you have? And a lot of other structures and vocabulary items that pupils have learned. Then deliver the handouts that he or she has prepared at home to each pupil. Next, pupils work on their own to complete the information in the handouts. After that, teacher asks all pupils to stand up and go around the class and interact with one another, asking questions, writing the answers in the handouts. When all pupils have finished, teacher can call some pupils to go in front of the class and talk about the friends that they have just interacted with. The obvious advantage of this activity is that pupils can use the target language naturally. However, the class can be noisy while all are speaking, and some may cheat by using Vietnamese instead of English while they are communicating.
Please watch a sample video. As you watch, take notes on the steps that the trainer follows and think of the following questions. What techniques does the teacher use to A. Help the student understand the task, B. Prepare the students for using the target language. Here are 6 key stages for setting up the activity. Can you please put the stages in the order that you think the teacher will carry them out? Number 1. The teacher models the task with students. 2. The teacher delivers handout farm cards to students. 3. Students study individual cards and use number and animals. 4. Teacher reinforces the target language on the board. 5. The teacher describes farm cards. 6. Teacher elicits key language needed for activity. How many do you have? I have. Now you have 2 minutes to complete the quiz. Well, the correct order is number 2, the teacher hands down farm cards to students. Number 5, students describe farm animals. Number 6, teacher elicits key language needed for activity. How many do you have? I have. Number 3, students study individual cards and write number of animals. And the final one is number 1, the teacher models the task with students. And finally, number 4, teacher reinforces the target language on the board.